What's up, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome to ICO Reviews, and today I'm reviewing Servadvisor. Servadvisor is the worldwide first decentralized service recommendation platform. What it's all about is, imagine if you are visiting city of London and you want to know the best place to eat Chinese food. You are a vegetarian and you want to know where to eat the best meal. You know, there's so many informations you find when you have to search. It takes you time, but through their own application, they'll be able to give you specifically what you need. They know your usual engagement, they know what you usually want, you know your style, they know your preferences. They will just give you what you need. So you travel to Paris, you want to find out the best zoo, the best park, it gives you what you want. It's a service advisor platform. And I think it's one thing that is very unique, which we've rarely, I doubt if we really found in the blockchain technology, where people will be able to have access to information faster, and it's going to be an information that's going to be useful for them. So they are going to have 2 billion total supply, and at the crash sale, 84% of it will be sold at the crash sale. You can see here. So pre-sale we end in 25 days. To have end in 25 days. You see all the information here. Minimum you can buy is 0.1 Ethereum. They accept Ethereum. You can see distribution of the crowd fund, crowd seed funds, and the distribution of the token they have here. This is the roadmap. This is their team member Dimitri Sidorovic, Mazim Kazvunovic, Elena Viber, Saj Kreshko, Mazvredic, Wojjab, and all the rest. You can find them here. These are the advisors for this project, and you can find them on Find ICO, ICO Bench, Track ICO. You can find the white paper in Japanese, in Chinese, in Dutch, and in English, and you can see articles about them from these different websites. Now, ICO Bench 4.4 rating, and SRV is the token symbol, and it's based on an Ethereum platform. They are based in Germany, and you need KYC. I need to get whitelisted for it. And this is the 45-page white paper they have. I encourage you to go through it and to read it. It's beautiful, it's nice, and you'll be able to know more about the project. Alexa ranking, there are more visitors from Russia and from Ukraine. So I really want you to know about this platform. I want you to know about this ICO that exists and what they will actually offer in the blockchain industry. So I believe this services or this platform is unique. It's something we've not really seen, in the crypto world. So I believe it's really going to be nice, really going to be nice. So I would drop the link for this ICO below, so you can sign up for the ICO. But please do not forget, anything I've said in this review is strictly of my own opinion. Do not take this as a financial advice. You are responsible for your own decision. Thank you, and thank you a million times for watching my videos. Before you go, please subscribe to my channel, subscribe and hit the like button, and click on the notification bell, so that when I bring on new videos, you'll be among the first to watch my videos. Until next time I come your way, this is ICO Reviews.